Good afternoon, my MyBlindCo users. Have another quick update for you. We've streamlined the send to manufacturer process. So once you have an order and you go view it, click on the toggle button to generate purchase order, it'll take you immediately to the actual purchase order, and you can actually click this button to send to manufacturer. So if the manufacturer is an EDI enabled manufacturer, this will either be, if it is, then this will be electronically sent to the manufacturer. If it's an EDI manufacturer, for example, where you need to send a purchase order to customer service, this will actually bring up a PDF of the purchase order that gets emailed to the manufacturer. So in this particular case, it's actually electronically sent to the manufacturer. So just another way of saving you some time, cutting down on some steps. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thanks so much.